Hello and welcome back to our channel. On today's video we are working on the basing of the Chaos Chosen team. So we have all our Chosen ready to be glued on the base. Let's make some more lighting over here. There we go. So at the moment we have this kind of bases. There are hold is the hold basis for Blood Bowl. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can smooth it. So we use this paper just to don't dirt our workbench. So if you can see, there is a texture on the base, and we're gonna smooth it out because we're gonna glue it together, the mini with the base, and we're gonna fill the gap, this little line, with some milliput. And first of all, let's take some sandpaper, grit 180, just to smooth it out, the more of it. There we go. We give a good push and a good smooth it, as you can see. So after we gonna glue it, our mini, the texture that we gonna apply is gonna be very sticky to it, and we gonna have a nice and smooth base. So first of all, let's do this base. As you can see, is a little bit smoothed out. If you want to very soft and very smooth, you can add another grit sand paper, whichever brand you use it is fine, you don't need to use. I found this on 3D Green Stuff World, so it's gonna be okay. You have different grit. With the 280 we're gonna apply and smooth it out the other part. We remove it so it can be nice and clean. As you can see, now it's very smooth there. And there we go. So this is all been done. Now with our friend the glue, we're gonna pick it up, the glue, and we're gonna make this. We're gonna take our mini. As you can see down there, he has this little part where we have to glue it. For fast reference, I already glue it all my team, and after we do this, we put a bit over here as well. We're gonna figure it out how the pose is. So we're gonna put this inside, pull it there, push it our 5-7 seconds. There we go, and we have our mini ready to be done. Now the second part is to use and fill the gap that we have down there, as you can see. So how we can do it? So it's very simple. Let's remove our grit and paper, our glue away. We're gonna take the milliput. It's like a kind of green stuff. If you have green stuff, you can use it. As you can see, it's made on two parts. So this part, the yellow brighter, is the softer one, the malleable one, that is the glued part, and this one is the consistency part that gives strength to our mixed one. So with with the tool for sculpting, we're gonna cut a part. So we have 11. Let's say this bit should be enough for this part, and we put it away, and we can put on the side. We can put our glued part, the yellow one, and take in this much. So should be okay. Close it together to avoid that it become dry, and put it back, and that's it. This is a procedure I see online that help us have a nice and smoother base. So now we take both of them and we play with them till we have like a consistency that is very malleable, and it's very, you can sculpt with it. For this, don't worry about mess it up your hand. You can use gloves if you want. Just move it around till you have all mixed. You can see it's becoming one color only. It's becoming very, very easy, very soft as well at the touch. There we go. So a little bit more, and what we are gonna do is basically we're gonna take our, once we have softened this milliput, we can take a part of it, let's say like that, we put on the side. We can play with them, creating a straight line. As you can see, this is enough. We can smooth it out, put it longer, and what we're gonna do is basically we are going to fill this gap down there. Okay, so little by little we're gonna apply it down and remove the excess part, let's say like this, and with our sculpting tool we're gonna fill all the gap till it's full. So once we have done this, we're gonna check it over on top. So maybe we're gonna add it a little bit more. So there we go. We're gonna add this part at the very end over here, and we're gonna just push it a bit. So pushing down, pushing down. This is gonna be dry in 4 or 5 hours maybe, but you can use it anyway. So as you can see on the top, we have our gap filled, and with our smoother, we're gonna do with this part, or this one, or if you prefer the spiky part, or if you have Games Workshop palette, we're gonna remove the excess part and smooth it out like this. And for the downside, we're gonna use the other one. Where it is? There we go. This one here is more a cutting side, and we're gonna basically remove the excess part and do it like that. There we go. The excess part has been removed, and removing the excess part is smoothed out all the other part. Now we have even the ball handle over here on the middle. I don't know if you can see yet, and we're gonna fill that gap as well. So what we're gonna do is just take this little ball, push it down, and fill this little gap. So this is a short tutorial on how you can do and fill all the bases. I'll do this procedure right now because this minis, the gap to fill inside is the old kind of mini from Games Workshop. So there we go, how to fill the base and how to glue the mini on top of it. On the next video we're gonna see how to add the texture to our mini. Thank you, bye.